preaches at black masses, evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields the bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning. Death and hatred to mankind, poisoning their brainwashed minds. Whoa, oh yeah! Politicians hide themselves away. They only started the war. Why shouldn't they go out to fight? They leave that role to the poor. Time will tell on their power. Judgment day comes, yeah. Darkness world stops turning, ashes where the body's burning. No more war pigs have the power. Hand of God has struck the hour. Day of judgment, God is calling. On the knees the war pigs crawling, begging mercy for their sins. Satan laughing spreads his wings. When there's lightning, it always brings me down, 'cause it's free and I see that it's me who's lost and never found. I cry out for magic, I feel it dancing in the light. It was cold, lost my hold, to the shadows of the night. No sign of the morning coming. You've been left on your own, like a rainbow in the dark. Like a rainbow in the dark. Do your demons, do they ever let you go? When you've tried, do they hide deep inside? Is it someone that you know? You're just a picture, you're an image caught in time. We rely, you and I, we're words without a rhyme. There's no sign of the morning coming. You've been left on your own, like a rainbow in the dark. Like a rainbow in the dark. When I see lightning, it always brings me down. 'Cause it's free and I see that it's me who's lost and never found. Feel the magic, feel it floating in the air. But it's fear and you hear, it's calling you beware. There's no sign of the morning coming. There's no sign of the day. You've been left on your own, like a rainbow. A rainbow in the dark. Like a rainbow in the dark. Like a rainbow in the dark. Just a rainbow.
Yes, no, just depends on the client wants to settle.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rain? A smile from a veil, do you think you can tell? Did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold comfort for change that you exchange. A walk-on part in a war for a lead